Hello students, here I'm back again as promised. We'll be doing the next session of your writing skills today. That is your very important topic, your view and the counter view section. So I hope you all know what is view and counter view section. View means something which you're supporting to the reason, and counter view is when you go against it. When you are against a certain situation or an event which is given, that becomes your counter view section. Now in counter view section, what do we expect the students to write? In the view or the counter view section, we expect you to write something in supportive to the counter view section. Now the important points will be already given in your question. You just have to read the question and go point by point. But while writing it in the answer, it should be in the paragraph form. Nothing should be in the point form. So that is how we start with the view and the counter view. We need a very important thing which we need to keep it in mind is your catchy title. The title should be very catchy. Then secondly, what do we need here after the catchy title? We need to see the beginning line of the view or the counter view section. If it's a view section, we start with the words, I strongly agree or I strongly support. This should be your starting lines. Starting with, I strongly agree, or maybe I strongly support. Agree or support. And if it is in the counter view section, we say, I strongly oppose, and then the sentence comes. I strongly oppose whatever the question is given. Now, you are starting it in this way. The points given to you will be very clearly mentioning what you want exactly to what has to be written. For example, let me give you a small example. Examination disturbs a student's development. This I have given you in the counter view section. You have to prepare a view section for it. Go for it supporting this same point. Examinations are disturbing the growth of the students. Okay. Now when you are writing this in the view section, you have to support my point which I have given you. Now when you are supporting, you will say, I strongly agree that examinations are, stopping the growth of the students. Examination do not allow the students to develop. They become only exam prone students. They are only appearing examinations after examinations. So this point you have to highlight. This point you will continue for 25 lines. Go for 25 lines. 25 lines to 30 lines. Now it can be in one paragraph or it can be in two paragraphs. There is no conclusion. There is nothing like that. Directly you stop with your answer. That is in the view section or in the counter view section. For example, New Year resolutions are must. You have to prepare a counter view for it. Okay. Now in the counter view, I strongly oppose. You started with this way. I strongly oppose that New Year resolutions are a must. So for that, we need a title. What will be the title for that? Just opposite to what is given. New Year resolutions are a must, I said. So what will you write? Yeah, children, any idea? So you can maybe probably write that New Year resolutions are not compulsory. Then how you go about your thoughts? Your thoughts come. Now the thoughts you have to write that resolutions make you only, you can say, just highlighting to that, catering to that level of thinking. You cannot think beyond. You don't get space to develop. So New Year's resolutions only makes you in the box. So anything outside the box is not acceptable. Once the resolutions are made, you start thinking according to the resolutions. So that is why you oppose it. I hope you have understood. So, students, this is how you will attempt your view and the counter view section. Just go point by point, read the points in the question paper. The points will be written. You just need to make it in the paragraph form opposite to what is given. Read the question, they will mention you very clearly, view section or counter view section. I hope it's clear. So meet you in the next session of writing skills. Thank you, students.